Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you when is Spotify Wrap 2022. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open the Spotify. So here you can see that in my Spotify there is no option where you can see your Wrapped, but as I am going to show you when it will be, so you simply need to open Instagram. So here I am on my Spotify page. Here you can see that, you can read that Spotify Wrapped is here. Update your Spotify app to get yours who is on your top 5. So you simply need to go on to the Play Store and search your Spotify. Okay, and you need to update and you will get your Wrapped that is for 2022. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.